Here's to the ones that we got. Cheers to the wish you were here, but you're not. 'Cause the drinks bring back all the memories of everything we've been through. Toast to the ones here today. Toast to the ones that we lost on the way. 'Cause the drinks bring back all the memories, and the memories bring back you. There's a time that I remember when I did not know no pain, when I believed in forever and everything would stay the same. Now my heart feel like December when somebody say your name. 'Cause I can't reach out to call you, but I know I will one day. Yeah. Everybody hurts sometimes. Everybody hurts someday. Yeah, yeah. Everything will be alright. Go and raise a glass and say, here's to the ones that we got.
Bismillah guys, mau nyebrang. Dadah. Dadah diwam-diwam. Wow.
Toast to the ones here today.
Dadah.
Toast to the ones that we lost on the way. 'Cause the drinks bring back all the memories, and the memories bring back you. There's a time that I remember when I never felt so low, when I found all of the hatred was too powerful to stop. Now my heart feels like an ember, and it's lighting up the dark. I'll carry these torches for you, that you know I'll never drop. Yeah. Everybody hurts sometimes. Everybody hurts someday.
Dad, akhirnya baru bangun nih guys. Bos baru bangun. Jadi mah.
Dorong dikit ya. Dorong.
Can't put out, carve your name into those shining stars. He said go venture far beyond the shores, don't forsake this life of yours. I'll guide you home no matter where you are. One day my father, he told me, son, don't let it slip away. When I was just a kid I heard him say, when you get older your wild heart will live for younger days. Think of me if ever you're afraid. He said one day you'll leave this world behind, so live a life you will remember. My father told me when I was just a child, these are the nights that never die. My father told me. These are the nights that never die. My father told me.
Dan berenang, berenang. Yang berenang, berining, berining, berinong.
Hari ini aku di sini berjuang untuk bertahan padamkan luka dan beban yang ada, yang telah membakar seluruh jiwa. Ku coba resapi, ku coba selami segala yang telah terjadi. Ku ambil hikmahnya, rasakan nikmatnya, dan ku coba untuk hadapi. I will survive, I will revive, I won't surrender and stay alive. Kau berikan kekuatan untuk lewati semua ini. Hari ini kan ku pastikan aku masih ada di sini, mencoba lepaskan, coba bebaskan segala rasa, beri di hati